the family and congregation gathered to say goodbye to Bishop Themba Bright Mahua, who died at the age of 57, leaving a huge void in the lives of those who knew him. Mahua died abruptly at midnight on October the 21st, despite not being ill. Mahua was noted for his untiring efforts in the fight against apartheid and dedication to social justice. Mxolisi Mfazwe, a family member, described Mahua as an outgoing and kind man, saying he was a man of unshakable faith and conviction and that his death has devastated his family, who will mourn him deeply.
So siziva silahlekelwe kakhulu, lost as it is. I would say to you, mna ndimfundisi vele uba ndinxibele nam ndifana nabanye abantu. I said, I won't do that because ndifuna ukukhumbula uThemba ngesintu, ndifuna ukukhumbula intlabi, ndifuna ukukhumbula umuntu ohlonipha amanyange akowabo, eyazi ukuthi ngabantu abakhoyo abaphilayo. So there's a lot endimkhumbula ngayo. Ndimkhumbula ngalo hlobo lokuba besihlala kube mandi nabamelwane bakoJola pha bamkhumbula. We just felt into yobana hey, asiyazi le nto, uThixo has robbed us of a person, a dedicated person, a loving person, a leader, a politician, a theologian. Yonke loo nto zama ukuthi singamavundle alinxeba elinzulu eli lokulahlekelwa nguThemba.
Reverend Mthutuzeli Ndwane, senior priest of the Nweba Ethiopian Episcopal Church, described Mahua as a pillar of their church and a faithful servant of God, stating that his dedication to his faith and people will be remembered.
He was a visionary, and as a visionary, he was a leader who had a clear vision for the diocese that helped to shape the diocese in sharing ministry, and so that the church doesn't focus to one person. The church it's a servant church, Church of God, Church of Christ. Ekumele into yobana all the time we share this ministry to build every Christian believer to push forward the ministry of the church.
Andy Lembuye, Bishop Mahua's longtime friend, says he'll always remember his warm smile, jokes, and ability to bring people together, but his unwavering dedication to justice and love for his community are what he will truly miss, as he was a true servant of God and a champion of the people.
Sibe indoda enelinyaniso, indoda ethandazayo, indoda enothando. Because I was a priest in charge kwicaba elapha eyelandukenyu eBhayi, engumshumayeli. We just click. Ndingumfundisi yena engumshumayeli. We click. How? I don't know. I cannot even explain even today.
Bishop Mahua's funeral service demonstrated his influence on his community, as his legacy will continue to inspire and drive those who knew him. Bishop Mahua was laid to rest in Forest Hill Cemetery, leaving behind his wife, mother, 2 daughters, and his cousins. Reporting for MPK TV News, I'm Kanya Ngaya in New Brighton in Gqeberha.